Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the best bridge cameras for 2025. Bridge cameras are fantastic for those who want a versatile all-in-one option with the power of a DSLR and the convenience of a point-and-shoot. Whether you're into wildlife photography, travel shots, or just want something with serious zoom capabilities, these cameras have you covered. Let's dive in. Panasonic LUMIX FZ80D. Starting off our list, we have the Panasonic LUMIX FZ80D compact camera. This camera is all about versatility, boasting an impressive 20 to 1200mm zoom lens that gives you the range to capture everything from wide landscapes to extreme close-ups. Whether you're on safari or just capturing memories at a distance, this zoom range is unbeatable in a compact design. The FZ80D is also equipped with 4K video and photo recording, allowing you to capture moments with incredible detail and clarity. You can even pull high-resolution stills from 4K video footage, which is perfect for fast-paced action shots. And with the Power Optical Image Stabilizer, you don't have to worry about shaky hands ruining your shot. Your photos and videos stay sharp and clear. It's a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a high-performing, all-in-one camera, without the hassle of interchangeable lenses. Fujifilm FinePix S1. Next up is the Fujifilm FinePix S1, a solid choice for anyone who wants versatility in a compact design. This camera packs a 16-megapixel sensor for sharp, vibrant images and comes with a 3.0-inch LCD screen that makes it easy to frame and review your shots. Known for its user-friendly interface, the FinePix S1 offers a seamless shooting experience, whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or action shots. Its compact build and powerful zoom make it ideal for travel or everyday photography. And with Fujifilm's reliable image processing, you can expect quality shots in various lighting conditions. It's a fantastic option for anyone looking to dive into the bridge camera world with a straightforward, powerful, and easy-to-use model. Kodak PIXPRO AZ405-WH. For those who love the classic look and reliable performance, the Kodak PIXPRO AZ405-WH is a great pick. This camera combines a 20-megapixel sensor with a powerful 40x optical zoom, ideal for capturing stunning details from a distance. The 24mm wide-angle lens is perfect for broad landscapes or group photos, while the optical image stabilization keeps your shot steady, even at maximum zoom. Recording 1080p Full HD video with ease, this camera is also well-suited for vlogging, especially with its 3-inch LCD screen that makes framing shots and reviewing footage straightforward. Whether you're shooting photos or video, the PIXPRO AZ405 offers an all-in-one package with the zoom power and clarity that bridge cameras are known for. For anyone looking to up their photography or vlogging game with a classic style, this Kodak is a strong contender. Minolta MN67Z. Next, we have the Minolta MN67Z 20-megapixel bridge camera, which packs impressive features and an even more impressive 67x optical zoom, perfect for capturing extreme close-ups or distant scenes with remarkable clarity. With 20-megapixel resolution and full HD video recording, this camera delivers crisp, vibrant shots that are perfect for both photography and video. The MN67Z is Wi-Fi enabled, allowing for easy sharing and remote control via your smartphone, which is a huge bonus for today's on-the-go photographers. Plus, this camera comes in a complete bundle with all the essentials: a camera case, memory card, tripod, memory wallet, cleaning kit, card reader, and software package, giving you everything you need right out of the box. If you're looking for a versatile camera with an extensive zoom and a complete accessory kit, the Minolta MN67Z has you covered for all your photography adventures. Nikon Coolpix P950. Finally, we have the Nikon Coolpix P950, a powerhouse bridge camera designed for those who want to get incredibly close to the action. With an impressive 83x optical zoom that extends up to 166x dynamic fine zoom, this camera can capture distant subjects with stunning clarity, reaching a max focal length of 2000 millimeters. Perfect for wildlife enthusiasts, It even comes with built-in bird and moon modes, which make it easy to capture clear, detailed shots of challenging subjects without complicated setup. With 16 megapixel resolution and 4K UHD video recording, this camera provides high-quality images and video, perfect for both photography and videography. It's also equipped with various scene modes, making it user-friendly for different shooting scenarios. If you're looking for a bridge camera with extreme zoom capabilities and high-quality video, the Nikon Coolpix P950 is a fantastic choice. And that wraps up our top picks for the best bridge cameras of 2025. From powerful zoom capabilities to high-quality 4K recording, these cameras offer a lot of versatility for photographers of all levels. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which camera you'd love to try. Happy shooting, and see you in the next video.